Waterways. About two-thirds of the Earth's surface is covered with water. This water provides a continuous link with the land masses on Earth. In early times, the means of water transport were rafts and boats. Then came the sailboats, which were pushed by the wind. Steam engine, when fitted with these boats, helped them to move faster and carry more goods. These are called ships. Today we have very big ships that carry people and cargo from one continent to another. These ships provide all types of comforts and facilities to their passengers. Do you know an ocean liner is a ship which has air conditioned cabins, cinemas, and restaurants? Waterways are cheaper than other means of transport. They do not require building of tracks and roads. They only need ports for loading and unloading facilities. The only shortcoming of this means of transport is its slow speed. Major routes. Some of the major sea routes are as below. The North Atlantic route. It links Western Europe and North America. It is the busiest sea route in the world. The Suez Canal route. It links the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. This canal was built in 1869. This canal has considerably reduced the time taken to go England from India. Previously, one had to go via the Cape of Good Hope, the southern tip of Africa. It took about 6 months to reach England by this route, but now through Suez Canal it takes about 2 weeks to reach England. Next is the Panama Canal route. The Panama Canal route joins the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. It was opened in 1914. Earlier, the ships had to go via Cape Horn, southern tip of the South America. This route took a very long time. Now it takes just 8 hours to reach the Pacific Ocean. In India, Ganga and Brahmaputra are used as inland waterways. The lagoons of Kerala are also used for navigation. Huanghe in China, Rhine and Danube in Europe, Nile and Congo in Africa, and Amazon in South America are used as waterways. You can see in the map the Huanghe River in China, Rhine and Danube in Europe, and Nile and Congo River in Africa, and Amazon in South America. Water transport plays an important role in trade and commerce between countries. You have already learnt that India has a long coastline. India has a very long coastline, means a big part of India is surrounded by sea from 3 sides. That's why India is also called a peninsula. There are 11 major ports in India. Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Marmagao, Kochi, Vishakhapatnam are some of the major ports of India. That was all about waterways. In next video we will learn about airways.